your own problem that you want to solve, and you are getting us involved.
Absolutely.
There's something spiritual about the encounter. I am feeling it. If something is not spiritual, I won't say it is spiritual. So, what was in your mind?
I think what was in my mind is in everybody's mind. We all stay our days, we have rough days, and we come back home. So that home will be home for us. But at the end of the day, some of us might either be afraid that that night when the unknown people will come for them. Because those that die don't really know they die at that moment. Some people might get home, and that is when the surroundings are quiet. And there are no longer distractions that will take your mind off what you're going through. So then, home is now confusing. Is home now the place where we are at peace, or the place where we are reminded that we are not at peace? So, in times like that, the only thing for me or anybody that is in contact with their spirit self, tell their self is, thank you. So calm down.
Mommy, calm down.
So you might tell yourself to calm down by saying, calm down. You might tell yourself to calm down by, breathing. You can tell yourself to calm down by watching movies. Tell yourself to calm down by going to sleep.
Yes.
But then, all that it is, I think this is something that I felt that we all needed, at least as Nigerians in this time.
Thank you.
To come and then just be, not have to dance and distract ourselves, but embody our pain and then triumph over it.
It will.